Unveiling Colors, The Mystery of Dark Indigo. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and insightful. In today's episode, we're diving into the vibrant world of colors to explore the phrase, dark indigo. We'll uncover what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's brighten up our English with a splash of color. Dark indigo refers to a deep, rich color that is a mix between blue and violet. The word, indigo, itself represents a color that is known to be one of the 7 colors in a rainbow, somewhere between blue and violet. When we describe it as dark, we are simply referring to a version of indigo that is closer to black than white, making it a more intense and saturated hue. Colors can be tricky in English because they often carry symbolic meanings as well. Dark indigo, like other dark colors, may be associated with elegance, power, and depth. It's a color that's often seen in fashion, art, and design. The word indigo has an interesting history. It comes from the Latin word indicum, which means from India. This is because the indigo dye originally came from India, which was a major source of the dye for Europe after it was introduced. The use of the term dark before indigo makes it a compound adjective that modifies nouns. Let's see how to use dark indigo in various sentences. She wore a dark indigo dress to the party, which matched the night sky. The artist chose dark indigo for the background to evoke a sense of mystery. You can pair that dark indigo shirt with light-colored pants for a sharp contrast. In these examples, dark indigo not only describes a color but also sets a mood or tone for the sentence. In various cultures, dark indigo is more than just a color. It can represent different ideas and emotions. In fashion, it is a popular color for denim jeans, known for its slimming effect and versatility. In interior design, dark indigo walls can make a room feel cozier and more intimate. And that wraps up our colorful journey for today. Remember, dark indigo is not just a point on the color spectrum. It's a hue rich with history, elegance, and depth. Use it to add sophistication to your language and to paint pictures with your words. We hope this video has brightened your day and added a new shade to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.